Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a special message and it's an urgent request for all the people who are listening. Palestine is crying again. Masjid al-Aqsa, which is the Qibla Awwal, the first Kaaba for Muslimin, is crying for your help and your attention. You don't have to be a Muslim to raise voice for the Palestinians against Israeli crimes, their apartheid, and their genocide. Israel has been occupying the Palestinian lands for years, and they intentionally hurt the sentiments of, millions of Muslims around the world just during Ramadan. Why? Because they know that Aqsa is the pain point, is the heart for Muslims. It was the first Kaaba, or the first place where Muslims were told to face towards and pray. And this is exactly why they hurt the sentiments of Muslims around the world. They put extra torture, they oppress extra during Ramadan to all the people who are fasting. Imagine a month of fasting, which is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from God Almighty, and they're fasting for at least 16, 17 hours, and they're being tortured, they're being pushed, the women are being killed, raped, and butchered in every human way possible. And they are committing all the human crimes, their human violation, human rights violation, and nobody is making noise, nobody is making a peep. So wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever religion do you follow, whatever religion you do not follow, please write to your local governments to actually raise voice against Israeli crimes against Palestinians, against Israel's oppression against Palestinians. Because you know what? In whatever form or way you worship any god or no god, we will be responsible for this atrocity and not making noise, not speaking up against this, because it's against the human rights, and human rights protectors, human rights activists should actually speak up and make other people aware of these atrocities of Israel against innocent Palestinians. There is no bilateral damage, there is no two-way, there is no war over there. It's pure oppression, genocide caused by Israel as an apartheid state. They have captured the lands of native Palestinians, and they are actually pushing them towards the wall. They're butchering them. They're destroying their homes. They're actually killing their children. They're killing their women. They're killing everybody who is Palestinian. And nobody is actually able to stop them. So please, 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 for the humanity's sake, speak up, make noise, write to your local politicians and make them speak up as well. You don't have to be a Muslim to speak for Palestinians. Remember that it's about the humanity, and you need to be at the forefront of human values and for the protection of human rights. Thank you so much.